Thank you, Dad.
Don't blame the food.
Dad, can Mickey have some breakfast?
I found you.
Hey, you naughty kids! It's late now, time to go to bed. Can you read us a bedtime story?
Please. Story.
Story. Then they live happily ever after. Wish we can be like the story.
Oh, the wing is so big.
Oh! Hey, sister, daddy! Doctor, what happened to my daughter?
Wait a minute. We should keep distance from her.
Is there any chance to save my daughter?
I'm sorry, there's no cure. Remember, do not go inside. It's infectious.
Dad, Mickey and I are here with you. Thank you. I'm fine. What?
Hey.
Help! 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 Is anyone there? Hey!
Save me.
Why do you leave me alone? Don't worry. I will be with you. Mickey, now just you and me. Just you and me.
It's a sad story, but it may happen in reality. The childhood trauma may affect one's personality development. If you were the father, will you go inside the world and leave your son alone? If you were the boy, can you remain optimistic and live bravely?